Good morning, good morning. Do 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 do. Good morning to you. Welcome to a daily dose of joy. Cold version. I have a cold. I'm snotty and stuffed up in the head. So I'm adorning myself with my tissue paper scarf so that I'm prepared. So that I can come to be with you this morning. Welcome to a daily dose of joy. And I tried to drink enough mint tea to sort of clear the space to sing our little ditty this morning. But otherwise, I thought that I will use my unusual sounds to make for a good laughter flow this morning. So, that was a good prompt to remind me. Excuse me. This is going to be an unusual daily dose of joy. Remind you to yawn or sigh during our laughter flow, to just check in with your body and stay good and grounded and at ease while you laugh. All right. Oh, I am very snotty. So we'll start our laughter flow. We'll just see where it goes with this cold theme. Okay. It's not funny. It's not funny. Snotty is very funny. It comes with really weird sounds I can make that I can't normally make. And I'm off to the races. So for your laughter flow, feel free to enjoy any of my odd noises or make any of them of your own. It sounds like a duck in my head. Sheba of the Seven Veils. Do 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 do. Oh, I'm ready for any situation. When you get a cold and you're like, tissue paper is everywhere, you're sleeping with it. It's just, I figured might as well create a fashion statement. Oh, like it's handy for my watery eyes. Oh, okay. Unveiling. I didn't quite realize how hard it is to breathe in through your nose when you're laughing. When you have a cold, not happening very well. Some stretching laughter. Oh. Oh. Yawning laughter. I have a cold. My nose is stuffy. I feel so weird. My eyes are puffy. have a cold. My nose is stuffy. I have a cold. My eyes are puffy. Oh, oh. Oh, whoa, oh. Come along and laugh with me. Oh, jiggle up your giggle box. You can do it. You can choose to giggle, laugh, chortle, or sigh. Oh, oh. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. May today be full of snuggles, and may it surprise and delight us. And I look forward to seeing you guys again tomorrow.